In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a website to Ionos in just about 5 minutes. If you've been wondering how to make your website live using the Ionos hosting service, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything from logging in to your Ionos account to getting your website files uploaded and set for the world to see. So let's dive right in, shall we? Our first stop is visiting the Ionos website. Simply type in the web address for Ionos into your web browser. You'll be greeted with the home page of one of the most trusted web hosting services out there. The interface is quite user-friendly, but we're here for a specific task to upload our website. Next up, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Once you find it, a click will take you to the next step, where you'll choose Customer Account as your login option. This selection will lead you directly to the sign-in page designated for existing customers. By now you should be on the sign-in page. Here you'll be prompted to provide your email address associated with your Ionos account. Go ahead and type it into the designated field. Remember, accuracy is key, so double check that email address before moving on to the next step, which is hitting the Next button. Following that, it's time to key in your password. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any login issues. With your credentials correctly entered, click on Next to access your Ionos dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and we're getting closer to the goal. Once you're logged in, look for the hosting section. This is your gateway to managing your web hosting needs, including uploading your website. Clicking on Hosting will display all hosting related options available to you. After finding your way to the hosting dashboard, locate the Use Web Space option. This is where you'll manage the files and data for your website. Click on it and it will take you one step closer to uploading your website. You're now ready for the crucial part, uploading your files. Look for the Upload button. This button is your next click, and it will open up options for you to select the website files you wish to upload. These files include your HTML, CSS, and potentially JavaScript files, the building blocks of your website. Click on Select File to browse your computer for the website files you've prepared. Take your time here to ensure you're uploading the correct files. Once you've selected all necessary files for your website, it's time to initiate the upload. Click on the Upload button again to start transferring your files from your computer to your Ionos web space. This process might take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the size of your files and your internet connection speed. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your website to Ionos hosting. It's a straightforward process, but each step is crucial to get your website live without any hiccups. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Make sure all your files are named correctly, especially your homepage file, which should typically be named index.html, to ensure your website displays correctly when visited. Also, keep your login credentials secure and handy for future website updates. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it has demystified the process of uploading a website to Ionos for you. Now it's time to share your website with the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy hosting!